Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see best video editing apps on Google Play Store. Now, let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store and then in here you can click on a search box and click on video editing apps. You can, and then in here you can see many best video editing apps on Google Play Store. You can choose everything you like, but I'm in here recommended to you to download a CapCut animation because CapCut editor video, sorry, because a CapCut editor video, this is free, and then it's easy to use. And in here you can see this is a rating. It's a good for you. It's and then so that how to see best video editing on Google Play Store. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.